Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance to buy and sell cryptocurrency. First, ensure your account is verified and funded. We'll cover the basic steps for purchasing various digital assets, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, using different payment methods. Then, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of selling your crypto holdings back into fiat currency or other digital assets. Let's get started with the essentials of secure and efficient trading on Binance. Buying crypto on Binance is simple once your account is set up. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, or transfer existing crypto from another wallet. Binance offers several ways to buy, including direct purchases with a debit card, bank transfer, or peer-to-peer trading. We'll explore placing both market orders for immediate execution and limit orders to buy at a specific price point. Selling your cryptocurrency on Binance is just as straightforward. You can convert your digital assets back into fiat currency or trade them for other cryptocurrencies. Binance provides options like direct selling to your bank account or using the peer-to-peer marketplace for more flexibility. We'll walk through the steps to ensure a smooth and secure withdrawal of your funds, whether to a bank or another digital wallet. To enhance your trading experience, consider using advanced order types like stop-limit orders to manage risk effectively. Security is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication and be wary of phishing attempts. Remember, never share your private keys. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy trading and stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.